3, 2, 1, start. The learned designated election judge was not, therefore, right in laying down as a wide and general proposition of law that in an election petition, question of validity of a statute cannot be gone into at all. Questions 2 and 3. Can the validity of a certificate of citizenship issued under Section 5(1)(c) of Citizenship Act 1955 at all be gone into during trial of an election petition? The learned designated election judge has taken the view that certificate of citizenship issued by the central government is valid and binding and cannot be called in question before a court of law unless cancelled or annulled by the central government itself. A perusal of the relevant provisions and the scheme of the Citizenship Act would show that here again the High Court was not right in taking such a broad view which it has taken. Citizenship Act 1955 is an act to provide for the acquisition and determination of Indian citizenship. Acquisition of citizenship can be by birth, Section 3, by descent, Section 4, by registration, Section 5, and by naturalization, Section 6. Clause 6 of subsection 1 of Section 5 as amended by Act No. 51 of 1986 provides that persons who are or have been married to citizens of India and are ordinarily resident in India and have been so resident for 5 years immediately before making an application for registration may, subject to satisfying other provisions including procedural ones, be registered as a citizen of India by the prescribed authority of the central government. Citizenship Act does not provide for cancellation of a certificate of registration issued under Section 5. Section 9 speaks of termination of citizenship upon acquisition of the citizenship of another country, which event entails cessation of citizenship of India. Subsection 2 of Section 9 provides that if any question arises as to where, when and how any person has acquired the citizenship of another country, it shall be determined by such authority in such manner and having regard to such rules of evidence as may be prescribed in this behalf. Section 3 is another provision which provides for issuance of certificate of citizenship in case of doubt. The central government has been empowered in such cases as it thinks fit to certify that a person with respect to whose citizenship of India a doubt exists is a citizenship of India. Such certificate is conclusive evidence except when it is proved that it was obtained by means of fraud, false representation or concealment of any material fact. Section 15 provides remedy of revision to a person aggrieved by an order made under the Act by the prescribed authority or any officer or an authority other than the central government. It is not the case of any of the election petitioners that the citizenship of India granted to the respondent was liable to be terminated on account of her having voluntarily acquired the citizenship of another country subsequent to her having acquired citizenship of India by registration, a question which, if raised, would have been within the exclusive jurisdiction of the central government to determine. The election petitioners are laying challenge to the correctness of the grant of citizenship to the respondent and her entitlement to be registered as a citizen of India under Section 5(1)(c) of the Act. Such a question is not immune by the scheme of the Citizenship Act 1955 from being adjudicated upon by an appropriate forum other than central government. However, the case of the petitioners, as the pleadings will bear out, is that citizenship was granted to the respondent on 30th April 1983. Thus, the grant of citizenship of India to the respondent is admitted by both the petitioners. It is the correctness of that grant which is challenged. Stop.